Hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. This is a beautiful new listing we have, special treat for you, great price point, right in the heart of Avalon Park, Orlando, Florida. You have the great schools, you have the community walkability, you have the community pool right around the corner, the downtown, all the amenities are very, very close, and this is a great access point, cute, one floor, 4 bedrooms, you know, beautifully redone inside. You gotta come check out it. Okay, so right when you enter the house, you see the beautiful brand new flooring. So all the upgrades you see here have never been touched. They're all yours. The home was recently remodeled completely. So you have the beautiful family room when we walk in, and then we have all the bedrooms on the left side here. We have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Also the master with a cute, full garden tub and the shower. You're gonna see that in the pictures. And then we flow this way into the nook area, and about 1,700 square foot home, so a good size for the first floor, right? Then we have the island. Look at all the gold features, the backsplash, the upgraded countertops, the brand new appliances. We have a washer dryer there in the 2-car garage, but it's very trendy, all the modern colors, turnkey, very exciting to just walk in and just not have to worry about anything. Everything's nicely done here. So let's go check out the backyard. Okay, so welcome to the nice sized backyard. We have a lot of nice vegetation back here. It's on the alleyway, very quiet, very private. You can put a fence if you'd like, even put a pool, but it has this nice sized pad here. You can do some grilling, So again, the house is turnkey. You gotta come check it out. You're gonna see on the drones now, we're right around the corner from the community pool. We have the downtown Avalon Park. Everything's walkable. Timber Creek High School, Avalon Elementary, Avalon Middle School, all within the same community here, all top-rated schools, and a lot of nature surrounding the community as well. My name again is Phil Colbridge. My number is 321-287-3913. You gotta come check this house out in person. This is just a little preview. The photos show more, but still, we're having an open house coming up real soon. And again, you're gonna love the price. So thank you so much. That should work.